Welcome back to the TheMicroLearner YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the basics of Bitcoin. Whether you're completely new to it or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. Let's get started. So, what is Bitcoin? Simply put, Bitcoin is a type of digital money often called a cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin isn't printed or controlled by any government or bank. It's decentralized, which means it's powered by its users all around the world. Bitcoin works on a technology called blockchain. Imagine a public ledger or record book that anyone can access. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded in this ledger, ensuring transparency and security. When you send or receive Bitcoin, the transaction is verified by network participants called miners. These miners use powerful computers to solve complex problems, and once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain. So why use Bitcoin? Here are a few reasons. Low fees. Sending money internationally can be expensive. Bitcoin transactions usually have lower fees. Speed. Traditional banking can be slow. Bitcoin transactions can be faster, especially across borders. Security. Bitcoin transactions are secure and can't be reversed, which helps prevent fraud. Accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can use Bitcoin, making it accessible to people without bank accounts. Getting Bitcoin is easier than you might think. Here are 3 common ways. Exchanges. Websites like Coinbase or Binance let you buy Bitcoin with your regular money. Bitcoin ATMs. Some places have ATMs where you can buy Bitcoin with cash. Peer-to-peer. You can buy directly from other people using platforms like local Bitcoins. Once you have Bitcoin, you'll need a digital wallet to store it. Wallets can be software-based, like apps, or hardware devices, like a USB stick. Of course, there are some risks to consider. Volatility. Bitcoin prices can go up and down quickly. Security. While Bitcoin itself is secure, how you store it matters. Keep your wallet information safe to avoid theft. Regulations. Bitcoin rules vary by country, so make sure you understand the laws in your area. Always do your research and maybe start small if you're new to Bitcoin. And that's it. Now you know the basics of Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.